Target, I'm gonna look for the new Squish Dee Lish Squishies, and I'm gonna look for the soft and slow squishies. So yeah! Here are some backpacks I saw right when I came in the door. I thought they were super cute. They had like a rose gold quilted. Okay guys, so I found the Squish Dee Lish Squishies. This is what the bag looks like. I got 2 of them. It says Slow Rise Squeeze Me, Collect Them All, Series 1. Here is some of them that you can get and collect. I did not see the soft and slow squishies anywhere. So I'm gonna open this first one and see what I got. So I got this super cute cow donut. It's pink and brown. Even has a little tail on the back. So cute. It smells just like a regular squishy. Super cute. It's kind of slow rising. Or I'd say it's slow rising. It's real smooth too. Okay, so open the other one, and I got this bear that's super cute. He's ombre, he's pink and purple. Looks like he's got like a defect on his nose with a little bit of bright green, but I think it's super cute. He has 2 leaves on the top of his head. And he is slow rising as well. He's actually like squishier than the other one. For my store, so my Target still had quite a few of these, but the other side of town Target didn't have any. So I was worried that this side of town wouldn't have very many, but they do. So you ought to check your stores out for these blind bag squishies. And thanks so much for watching, and subscribe if you're new.